Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to install the openssl in a Windows operating system. Openssl is a utility or a tools that useful for cryptography, and it's installed by default in most of the Linux operating system distro or in a Mac, but not in the Windows. So if you want to use openssl in a Windows, you have to install it first. Okay, so first we're going to download the openssl, and then I'm going to install and then configure so it is ready for you. Okay, so first have to test that the openssl is not installed in your machine. Open the command prompt, then just run the openssl. Okay, you see that the command is unknown, yeah, and then meaning that this openssl is not installed yet. Okay, yeah, so not recognized. Okay, so we're going to install, and then after that configure to run it in this machine. Okay, so here we search openssl for Windows, download. Okay, yeah, so search, then after that we have this shining light. Yeah, okay, let's open this, and then look for the openssl for Windows. Okay, yeah, so scroll down, then look at the Windows 64-bit openssl, and then you choose the MSI or ESA, up to you. I choose MSI, download. Yeah, okay, so this commonly downloadable materials. Okay, yep, so keep it. Yeah, so keep any. Okay, so open the folder, then after that we need to install. Since this is Windows new in a sandbox environment, so it does not have the C++ distributable component, so it will require this to be installed. Yeah. Later, it will ask you to install during the installation. You see, yeah. So it cannot find the Visual C++, yeah, distributable component. So I just click yes to install the C++ distributable component. Yeah, okay, so click to run. Yep, so just follow the installation. Let's set forward. No need to select anything. Yeah, just follow the default setting. Okay, just leave it for a while. Okay, just make sure that there is no pending. Okay, yeah, like this. Looks like waiting, but actually in the background you have to continue. Yeah, okay, accept the agreement, then next. Yeah, okay, so install on the default location, C program files, openssl, Win64. Okay, so just the default installation location. Okay, then this time we don't make any donation. Yeah, okay, so done already the installation, and when you try again, still not working because we need to add the openssl in the path. Yeah, so it's not added yet, so still not detected there. Okay, so we open, then after that we go to the C program files, and then after that open SSL, then look for the binary bin folder. This path you have to add to the your environment path, yeah, because this is the binaries here. So you search in the Windows the environment. Okay, edit system environment variable. Okay, after that here in the path, yeah, click edit. Yeah, after that new line to add this path, yeah, into the openssl binary. Click OK. Okay, then I close. Yeah, you try again, still cannot. Yeah, because you have to restart the command line. The new setting will only be applicable if you close and open again. So I close. Then I open again the command. Okay, then open SSL. Okay, so cannot proceed because they are reinstalling the root. Okay, yeah, so looks like the C++ installation is not successful. Let's check the okay, yeah, so just now download, yeah, then reinstall this. Let's see if there is any problem. Okay, then open again. CMD. Yeah. Okay, then after that open SSL. Okay, yeah, this time works. Yeah. So something wrong just now with C++ redistributable installation. So it works now. Yeah, open SSL. Okay, so how to use that? I will show you in a separate video how to use OpenSSL for practicing encryption with the symmetric key, asymmetric key, and then hashing, and then also the PV element, and so on. Okay, that's all. Yeah.